not sponsored. Hey, I'm Bobby. Welcome to another Fischer Builds. Today I'm going to show you how to make this little rolling trolley for make-believe shoes and dresses. Okay, so to make this, it's actually really simple. I took a sheet of MDF, cut it down to 12-inch wide, and then the longest pieces are 48 inches high. Plus the casters, it's about 51 inches tall. Alright, so I got these casters so that they could actually lock in the front. So you can just tap them with your foot and it'll stay in place. So we just screw these in. It's got 4 holes. The width, I wanted the overall width to be 32 inches. So with the miter, I got a 3/4 inch miter bit, and I mitered out a groove just so it's stronger and holds together like a dado. And we use pocket screws. So 32 inches wide by 51 inches tall. The middle shelf, we wanted inset a little bit just because the shoes are going to go underneath, and I actually rounded it off with a router bit so that little hands wouldn't get scratched going in and out of there all the time. And then this bar is just attached with 3 screws on each side, and it slides in and out real easy. So we can change that out if we wanted to do something different or use this for something else. But relatively quick build, and seems to be a lot of fun. So that's the make-believe rolling trolley. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. All the tools and materials that I used, I'll have affiliate links in the bottom. The affiliate links actually help me do these videos, and by purchasing those, it helps me make content like this that could be useful for you, your family, your kids, and that's why I do it. I want people to build and have fun and interact with each other. This isn't a build for me like some of my other videos, this is for my daughter. So that's why I do this. Have a good day.